AI unlock the power of unstructured data? To learn more, I'm joined by Perry Rotella of Box. Perry, thank you so much for joining me.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So we'll get right into the million-dollar question. How can financial firms leverage AI to extract actionable insights from unstructured data?
Well, unstructured data really powers work that we do every day, where you have advisors working with clients, there's exchange of information, these are all documents. And we are finding at Box that extracting metadata from documents that are submitted by clients and then can be leveraged downstream for automated routing to get work done, or to do analytics, or to do downstream processing, really can streamline the interactions. In addition, we can use that metadata to classify documents for retention and compliance.
And what are the challenges, though, that financial firms are facing today when it comes to unstructured data?
Yeah, I think fundamentally the way we manage content today is broken. Content exists across many silos. Content is duplicated. You may have different versions that sit across various silos, which makes working with content inefficient, risky, and expensive. That kind of sets the stage fundamentally. But when you kind of drill down a little bit, the compliance issues around managing content when it's strewn across silos really brings risk, to firms. When you look at the SEC, FINRA, and privacy regulations, being able to have your data content in order, house in order, is a significant challenge.
So let's talk real-world case studies and examples of AI and how they are ultimately transforming financial services in the wealth management industry. What can you share there?
Yeah, so one of the things we're seeing a lot in talking to our customers is, one example is client onboarding. So you have a new client who fills out a questionnaire, which may trigger a process to upload a lot of their information about their assets. Bank statements, stock holdings, real estate holdings, and all that is content. And the other piece of the onboarding is KYC, which is a highly manual, onerous process. It really takes a lot of the onboarding time without a lot of value. So what we're seeing, again, with the metadata extraction is being able to extract the relevant information from identity documents and streamlining that checking of identification. Also, as a customer uploads their various statements, we can extract information from those automatically and create a brief for the advisor that really shows the various holdings. We can analyze through AI where a client might be overweight, or missing certain types of investments that would balance their portfolio. All that can be done with AI, which really gives the advisor just a lot of power and able to work just with their client, as opposed to doing a lot of background work and checking and looking up information and cutting and pasting information from submitted documents, which leads to errors. And ultimately, the onboarding process, one of the big issues is abandon rates. So a customer will start the process, get frustrated, it takes too long, and abandons the process, which to the advisor, you've lost a client, you've lost revenue. And on the flip side, if you could streamline that, you have now built trust, you've created a frictionless experience, and really positioned your relationship in a great way.
Well, Perry, I always love talking tech and AI with you. Thank you so much for your insights.
And thank you for having me.
For wealthmanagement.com, I'm Shannon Rossick.